Hello, all my friends. My name is Chu Yang. Today I'm here to talk about my sons. If my son is going to enter the university for next year, I would really like him to study in the state universities because the reasons below. The first reason, state university usually have good reputation, experienced teachers, and the qualities of education is often reliable because they are supported by the government. The second thing, the tuition fees are normally cheaper than the private university, so it is more affordable for our family. The third thing, state university often provide many majors. My sons can choose what he loves, and also provide good facilities such as libraries, laboratories, and student activities. So my sons can meet many students from many different places, and he can learn more about the social skill. However, I believe the most important thing is not only the type of university, but also my son's interest and his ability. I will respect his choice and support him to study what he loves. When he studies hard and chooses the right major, I believe that he can have the brighter future. And that's all for me today. Thank you very much for listening. Bye bye. See you next time.